Science is a way of life. Science is a perspective. Science is a process that takes us from confusion to understanding in a manner that is precise, predictive, and reliable. Today's science is tomorrow's technology. Science is fun and it is curiosity. Welcome to the Department of Chemistry of Jnana Prabodhini Mandals, Shri Mallikarjun and Shri Chetan Manju Desai College, Kankon, Goa. I am Ms. Priyanka Kavlekar, an Assistant Professor in Chemistry. It is my honor and privilege to introduce you all to the Department of Chemistry of this college. First of all, I would like to congratulate all the 12th standard students who have successfully completed their second milestone in education. Here I am to discuss about the career opportunities after 12th science. Now, the students of 12th science, you all must have obviously come across several questions as in what to do after 12th science, isn't it? After 12th science, there are several opportunities that are available. One of those important opportunities is bachelor's degree in science. Jnana Prabodhini Mandals, Shri Mallikarjun and Shri Chetan Manju Desai College, we offer you the bachelor's degree in science wherein you can specialize in the subject of chemistry. Now, what is chemistry? Being 12th science students, you all must be knowing about what is chemistry, isn't it? Yes. So chemistry plays a huge part in human life, humans' everyday life. One can easily identify this branch of science in every human's life. For example, the food that you eat, the air that you breathe in, and the surrounding that you live in. Everywhere there is an existence of chemistry. To talk about our Department of Chemistry, our Department of Chemistry comprises of well-qualified and hard-working teachers. Also, there are very supportive and cooperative non-teaching staff. We also have a very good strength of students. The Department of Chemistry has a well-furnished chemistry laboratory, which is a very important aspect in this curriculum, which helps our students to convert their theoretical knowledge into practical one. In the Department of Chemistry, we have courses which are focused to give employment to the students in different sectors like private sectors and government sectors, such as pharmaceutical industries. You all can go into. You all can also go into teaching field. You all can also go in the research lab. Okay. You all can also opt for higher education, wherein you all can do your own research of the subject which you have interest in. Therefore, all our courses which are available at the department, they are focused towards giving you all intense knowledge of this subject. There are many entrance examinations which you all can answer, which will help you all get into different institutions for further studies. Our curriculum also has certain courses like environmental studies, skill enhancement courses. Courses like SEC, that is skill enhancement course, it helps build up the basic skills of a chemist which are required in the chemistry laboratory. Along with the studies, we also offer extracurricular activities like informative talks on the subject, then career guidance programs for our students, and different events we organize, competitions we conduct. Then our students can also participate in different colleges wherein they conduct their own events. This activity in turn is going to help our students build their confidence, build their self-confidence, build their leadership qualities, time management qualities, and etc. This is going to help to build the platform for their future. Therefore, the Department of Chemistry aims at preparing its students for academic excellence as well as responsible citizenship. It's a proud moment to tell you all that our students of third year BSc, they have cleared their entrance examination which was conducted by Goa University. Goa University conducts this entrance examination for MSc aspirants. So our college students, they have successfully enrolled themselves in the Goa University. Our department has grown tremendously over the past years. We try to ensure that whatever we do at the Department of Chemistry, through the courses that we offer to the students, that we see that students are able to link their theoretical knowledge to the practical knowledge, and this thing helps our students to come across towards many opportunities in this field of chemistry. Now that you know our department in detail, you may have a question as in how to get enrolled in our college. Our college has already started with online admissions. PDF copies of prospectus has also been circulated. If you have not come across a PDF copy of prospectus, what you all can do is you all can visit college website, the link to which will be put in the description box. You all can click on that link. That link will direct you to the website of college. On that website, you will come across PDF of prospectus. You all can download that free of cost and go through that. Also, the link for admission process will be put in the description box. You all can click on that link and start with the procedure for admission. While doing admission or while filling up the form, if you all come across any technical issues or any other issues related to the admission, you all can always approach our college. I hope I was able to give you all enough information about our college and the Department of Chemistry in this college. I am looking forward to welcome you all in our college. Thank you.